as of now, though I do not believe that this is any acknowledgement at all of their mistakes, but they have cancelled the bail of the super rich super brat, and Republic now demands that the members of the Juvenile Justice Board should be sacked, their role should be investigated, and they should face some penalty. And this super brat has been put in remand for a while, but that's not good enough, in my view. Breaking the story first.
Killer VVIP's father has been sent to police custody. This is the big breaking news that we are currently tracking at the moment. Vishal Agarwal has been sent to police custody. Remember, Vishal Agarwal was brought to the crime branch office yesterday, and today he was supposed to be presented before court. Now the breaking news that's coming in is that Vishal Agarwal has been sent to police custody till the 24th. That's the big breaking news that we're currently tracking. It's a big development in the VVIP Pune Posh crash case. The killer miner's father, Vishal Agarwal, who was arrested by the crime branch in Pune, has been sent to police custody till the 24th. This is the big breaking news that we're tracking at the moment, viewers. Trouble mounts for the killer's father, Vishal Agarwal. A high-profile builder in Pune is now sent to police custody. Remember, viewers, Vishal Agarwal and his family have links with the underworld. And today, in a Republic exclusive news break, we told you about how the killer's grandfather was associated with Chota Rajan. His links with the underworld stand exposed. Chota Rajan was also involved in a murder case in Mumbai, and the killer's grandfather was also an accused along with Chota Rajan. Now the trouble mounts for the killer's family. Vishal Agarwal, the father of the killer, has been sent to the police custody till the 24th. And the probe on the Pune Posh crash continues to deepen. Well, that's the big breaking news, viewers, that's coming in now in a new angle that has come to light. Sources say that the family of the teenager accused in the Pune drunk driving case may have a connection with the underworld, as his grandfather allegedly paid a supari to gangster Chota Rajan in a shootout case in Pune. And that's another link that has emerged in the Posh Pune crash case. A VVIP brat, after consuming alcohol with his friends, was at the wheel of the Posh car. He then mowed down two innocents. And after that, the crackdown began. The administration swung into action, and the clubs have now been sealed, locked. And after that, a bulldozer has also razed many illegal pubs in the area as well, without the pubs operating without a license, the pubs allowing minors inside to His father has been sent to police custody. This case is concerned Vishal Agarwal, the father of the accused, prime accused, was in fact produced today before the court, and a remand of 7 days was in fact demanded by the Pune police. But ultimately, after the whole hearing, the case, the remand was in fact granted to 24th of May by the Pune court. It will be crucial to see. I'm just getting the grounds of the remand that were on which the remand was in fact sought. What we get to know
is that as far as the sections are concerned, the sections of juvenile justice 75 and 77 was in fact imposed against Vishal Agarwal. So citing the kind of negligence by Vishal Agarwal, that reason was in fact mentioned by the Pune police in the court, and following which the remand was in fact sought. Not only that, there were two more accused who was in fact produced in the court, that were the bar owner and the manager, who were also produced in the court. Their custody was also sought. The kind of negligence been done by them, despite knowing the fact they didn't verify the fact that the accused is in fact underage, and despite that he was served alcohol. So that was also the reason that was in fact given before the court, and following which now the court has granted the custody of the father and the rest of the accused till 24th of May. So definitely a major development in this very case. Remember, the juvenile justice court out here, this is the juvenile justice court, and as the hearing is in fact over at the Pune court in the Vishal Agarwal case, the primary accused who rammed Ani Savadhaya and Ashwini Costa there in Kalyani Nagar in Pune